Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and memory card in your Samsung S10E. To this operation, get the key and stick in the upper here in the little corner, little hole here. And as you see, we have place for the SIM card and the memory card, so we're gonna enter this into our phone. Just like that, the SIM card and the memory card here. Now insert it to phone. And now phone gonna be connected with your network provider and see the memory card of your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.